Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, making a video for Expert Village. Today we're showing how to make a beaded ID badge holder and some bracelets and a photo holder. We've gotten all of our beads on our bead along wire. We're down to the center where we've added the toggle down in the center. We're making the center piece right now that's going to be the center clip that's going to hold your ID badge. And we've gotten this far with the wrapped wire. And now on this little loop on the top, we're going to add the split ring. Split ring is like a keychain, and I put my fingernail in there and kind of push it and open it up. And I put that loop on there. I put the bottom of the toggle clasp on there, and they're going to go around until it looks like this. Now this part is going to go into the toggle clasp that's in the middle. This makes it so that you can use it as a regular necklace instead of just an ID badge all the time. You can also use this clippy for several different things. You can use it to hold your cell phone, or to hold your ID badge, or to hold your MP3 player if it has a hole for a handle or a wrist strap for that.